In this video, I'm going to show you how to check reused image tokens on Axiom. Now, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker and Twitter tracker. They also have a pulse tracker and a great reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also use their turbo mode for faster fills and transactions. You can set your own presets with your custom buy and sell settings, with custom slippage, priority and bribe fees, etc. So again, a lot of features. Make sure you check it out. Link down below. So to actually check reused image tokens on Axiom, this has been a recent update. You want to go to, for example, Pulse over here, and then you can see a bunch of different images on different tokens over here. If I scroll down a bit inside the migrated tokens over here, and for example, I was to hover over this baby Pepe over here, or whatever that coin is, you can hover over that, and down here it says reused image tokens. As you can see, this specific token has 171 tokens who actually use the same image, okay? And if I hover over this one, for example, you can see there's only 6 with this one, etc. And if you'd actually like to view this, you want to go inside a specific coin that has, of course, more than one. So I'm going to go inside this coin. And then here on the right, you can go ahead and scroll down a bit. And you're going to see it's going to say reused image tokens. And then the number of how many there are. You can just click on that. And it's going to show you a list. You can basically just scroll through and see which tokens these basically are. Okay, so that's how we can use this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.